Welcome to our channel where ancient secrets meet modern wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the most sought after Ayurvedic secrets, remedies, and rituals that have stood the test of time, now trending as people rediscover their power for health and beauty. Let's begin with the five pillars of Ayurveda, nature's own pharmacy. Imagine a world where your immunity, energy, and peace of mind are nurtured by the gifts of the earth. Ashwagandha, known as the strength of the stallion, helps your body adapt to stress and boosts vitality. Amla, the Indian gooseberry, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, supporting your skin and immune system. Tulsi, or holy basil, is revered for its ability to purify and protect, while mulethi, or licorice root, soothes the throat and supports digestion. And then there's Giloy, called the root of immortality, famed for its ability to fight infections and rejuvenate the body. But Ayurveda is not just about herbs. In Tarthe Marharishi Amrit Kalash, a legendary blend of 53 herbs and minerals. This ancient rasayana is celebrated for enhancing immunity, vitality, and mental clarity. Imagine a single formula that brings together the wisdom of sages and the richness of nature, supporting your body's quest for balance and longevity. Now, let's talk about Ayurvedic beauty secrets. In Ayurveda, true beauty begins within. Instead of relying solely on creams and serums, Ayurveda teaches us to eat according to our dosha, a unique body type. For radiant skin, bitter gourd juice is a favorite, purifying the blood from within. And don't forget Abhyanga, the art of self-massage with herbal oils. This daily ritual detoxifies, nourishes, and brings a glow that no makeup can match. Modern wellness seekers are also turning to diet and lifestyle adjustments. Think of meals rich in healthy fats, proteins, nuts, and seeds, each chosen to balance your doshas and support hormonal harmony. It's in or just what you eat, but how you live, mindful routine. Early mornings and gentle exercise are all part of the Ayurvedic way. One practice gaining global attention is Abhyanga, the self-massage ritual. Warm herbal oils, gentle strokes, and a few quiet moments each day can melt away stress, detoxify the body, and create a deep sense of well-being. It's a simple act, yet profoundly transformative. And finally, as Ayurveda's popularity grows, so does the need for safety and efficacy. Many are searching for trusted brands and clean, ethically tested remedies, ensuring their journey into Ayurveda is both safe and effective. Remember, not all that glitters is gold. Choose your remedies wisely and consult with qualified practitioners when in doubt. So, whether you're seeking immunity, beauty, or peace of mind, Ayurveda offers a treasure trove of secrets, ancient, yet more relevant than ever. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Which Ayurvedic secret will you try first? Let us in Audible in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Ayurveda's most cherished secrets. Until next time, stay well and stay curious.